idiot. Oh my gosh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Where'd you go, buddy? Where are you? That's a good one. Oh my gosh. Now let's hold this boy up. That boy hit it and I thought I was snagged. He's a freaking fatty. Hell yeah. Oh, it pumps me up. These fish sit so good in the morning. At least here they do. Let's see what else we got out here. That's fucking nice, man. Got another one. Check it. Yeah. He's putting up a little fight too, buddy. That's a half pounder this morning already. There you go, bud. All right. That was a pretty good start. I'll take it. Beggars can't be choosers. Thank you, Jesus, for them ones, buddy. That's funny. Yeah, and this is why I wanted to come to the rocks. He's a good one. You don't even realize he's swimming right back to me. Come on, buddy. Come on. There you go. Get a little angry on there. Oh, hey. Swim back around into the net. Hey! Damn. You got a belly on you too, buddy. Alright. Fat guy. Hey. Ain't done with you. How many inches are you? I can measure you on here, You're about 12. Get out here, buddy. Thanks for playing. Yep, another one. Come on, man. Where you at? Oh, yeah. Here on the... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You are a good one, buddy. You are a fucking good. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. Holy shit, my net. Holy shit, my net. Oh, my net. Oh, my net. Oh, my net. Oh, that's a good one. And look, he just got off. Oh, my gosh. Look at this boy. Wow. I am having a great, no, a great day fishing. Look at you, buddy. I bet you're fucking close to a 3-pounder. All right, big guy. Thank you for playing. Ow. Now you, on the other hand, you better work next time. I knew I wanted to come here. You fucking seen it, too. He was pulling down, buddy. He did not want to come up here.
So I got off the kayak and come to another spot. There's a little baby snapping turtle.